I don't know what
I get
she's
so
gonna do.
overwhelmed.
She's still talking.
Am
Stop
I really?
talking, Leo.
Missy. Stop being so sweet. Go back to being mean.
I'm gonna
Chloe,
be
are
mean,
you
Leo.
ready
I'm gonna be mean.
to get started?
Stop talking. What'd she say? I was
I hope
talking.
you've got some viewers in there.
We are we are doing a tutorial, and I'm gonna watch Leo.
Stop being so sweet.
If it's not froze up. And then oh no, I don't want to watch
got my
myself.
eyeball stuff. Get covered.
Okay. Back there. Okay, I'm gonna do makeup.
Who's ready?
My camera angle is very bad.
Not me.
My hair is still wet. And I'm just gonna start since she's not doing anything. Oh, here we go.
Now I can't see shit you guys are saying.
She
So
can't see shit that anybody is saying, so come over to mine. You're in both, Tina? That's great. What is she putting on? She's not even telling me.
So we'll see how this goes.
Tell her to tell me what to put on my face. I can't just guess.
Are you, Tina? Thank you.
What are you putting on your face,
Oh,
woman?
yeah.
So I seen where like people on YouTube, a bit confusing, is it? I seen a thing on YouTube where everybody is like, they're all doing each other's tutorials. That's what I think too, but I'm putting lotion on. So I'm just not going to follow her steps right now.
Shall we go blue today? I don't know. I was thinking, green.
Green? I don't have green. Oh my god. This would have went a lot easier if she would have
I don't know.
charged her
Concealer,
iPad.
I think.
Concealer. Concealer, she thinks.
You should have known this was going to happen, Coley.
I
I
should
don't know what
have.
the fuck I'm doing.
Is this boring? Is this boring as what we're doing
Pivot.
here? She's just
Oh, do you, Med?
smearing it everywhere.
We'll miss you.
So that's what I'm gonna do.
I'm using concealer
Concealer, that's what I'm doing.
to highlight because I do
She
what I
puts
want.
concealer on first?
That's why.
Okay.
So hop on it, Coley.
I'm trying.
Where are my tweezers?
I'm looking at my mirror.
I'm just gonna feel around
No, it's not.
and hope I find them.
She's weird. Who puts
there's a pair.
concealer on their face first? Whatever, I guess. We'll try it. You can't even see me.
Nay, you just calm down. Hey, Maddie.
Oh well. That's probably a good thing.
Are you excited to see us fuck shit up in here?
We're gonna fuck it all up.
If you have two devices, you should tune in to Coley as well, because Coley is going to be trying to do whatever it is that I'm doing. You were excited an hour ago?
Yeah, we're a little late. I fell
Yeah, I
asleep,
know, guys. I know.
and it's never good.
I'm going to blame it on Coley.
It's not my
It was
fault.
a mutual problem, but I'm going to say it's Coley's fault.
It's Kayla's fault. I mean Leo's. This looks really bad. Oh my god. What is she doing
We
now?
mutually decided that we were just going to wait until 1, but it was Coley's fault. Coley did it. Everyone should be ashamed of Coley. If you're going to be mad at anyone, don't be mad at me, be mad at Coley. I wish, it's funny because I can't hear her, so I don't know what she's saying.
Nene!
I don't know what she's saying. Like, because I don't have my second device. So I have no idea.
She's gonna have to watch the replay to
no
hear all
idea.
my cussing. What is she doing now?
So I feel like that probably makes it more fun for you guys.
I don't have my sponge because I was in a hurry to come in here, so yay.
Say hi for Med.
Hi, Med.
Coley, Med says hi.
Med, aren't you in here?
I'm putting on whatever comes next.
Do you know
BB
what
cream.
comes next?
I'm using BB cream.
BB cream. I done got foundation. Oh well. Here we'll add some lotion. Where'd it go? Put the lotion on its skin. That'll be just like BB cream. Here, okay. There, now we're BB cream.
You beautiful skin. Thanks, Jon Snow. We're not doing this because I need it. We're doing this because it's funny.
It is funny.
Um,
And I can't see what anybody is saying.
Well, I was thinking green.
I don't have a sponge, forgive me.
Eyeshadow.
I don't usually put
I don't know
this on
about
with my
green
fingers.
face. Just because Coley's playing too, and I don't want to ruin Coley's face with green all over.
Yes, you do.
I'm not sure. You have to ask Coley
She wants to ruin
and see
my
what
face.
Coley says.
I don't have green makeup.
Because I'm not sure.
All I have is
It's
neutral
not
colors.
easy being green. No.
I don't go cray cray with my colors. What colors do you have?
Your eyes are beautiful. Thank you.
Neutral colors. I mean, I guess I don't know.
I feel like
Med is gonna have fun with this. I have a
I
feeling.
need to make up.
I have some purple eyeshadows. There's
I
a
don't look so
blue.
dark, but I think it's just the sun. It's
Yeah,
just
they
the
are, but
lighting.
I know that's not what they're gonna pick. Avery, you know this too.
BRB. All right, Tina. More of a paint, LOL, not a makeup. Yeah.
A paint?
What do I have that's paint like?
Paint?
I've got silver liquid eyeshadow,
I have
but I really want to do green.
a cream silver. We could do that. That looks like clown makeup though. But well, whatever she does.
We're doing green.
This is gonna be interesting.
I don't care what you people say.
Green! I don't have green!
Okay. Hey, Russell. Hey, Bae.
Blue, silver.
Oh my god, red lipstick. All right, that's fair. That I can do.
Y'all, I don't have this
Maybe.
stuff.
I don't actually have, oh my god, red. I've got dark red and light red.
Suggested purple and blue.
Blue and silver. Okay, blue and silver. Well, then I'll do blue and green. How about that?
My makeup looks horrible.
Blue and green.
I wish she could hear me too. This would go out a lot
My
better.
green will take the place of your silver.
Thank you for sticking around. I know this is probably like, what the hell is going on here? Let me bring you in closer.
Maybe. Or my blue will take the place of
My
your
light is really
silver.
bright.
No, my blue will take the place of your blue. And my green will take the place of your silver.
Okay, I don't know if that made sense. I'll just watch.
Deal? Deal.
Deal.
I think I'm going to put a little bit more on my...
What is she doing? More of the makeup?
You can do split screens on Instagram Live, can't you? I think
Instagram
so.
has a live?
I don't know exactly how. I've never done it.
I had no idea.
But I'm pretty sure you can.
What is she doing? I'm not putting more makeup on because then it'll look like
Pretty sure.
I have a cakey mess. Look, I didn't cover anything. I didn't bring my sponge. This looks like shat. What is she doing? I just cleaned. She...
Ooh.
Putting a primer on her eyes. No, we're not doing that. She's gonna... Is she contouring?
Toshi's underneath me. I don't know what she's doing, but she's underneath me.
I thought we were doing eyes. Okay. Contour it is. All I have is powder contour.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. I should put some music on.
What do you think so far?
You look fat.
How are we doing? I'm
look the
bad with
same.
communication, so...
What's she doing now? Highlighter? She's going balls deep right now. I didn't know we were doing all this.
I wish I could hear ye.
Yes. Highlighter. Highlighter.
I wish I could hear Coley.
I'm just talking shit. Tell her I'm talking shit.
Open iPad. I can't. It won't turn on yet.
She's totally talking shit about you. She's confused. I is. Thanks, Tina. Tina didn't think I'd read that.
Coley's confused.
Are we doing eyebrows? I'm going to do them real fast.
Not with
before
that attitude. I promise.
Do you see the skin flecking off of my face? I hope not. I hope I spared you.
It's on! Yeah, it's on. Okay, this is gonna be really good.
Why didn't she charge it while she was napping?
Where's my Periscope at? Hold your horses, people.
Hold them horses. And pry my eyeballs. Pry my eyeballs.
That's not Coley.
Leo!
This is gonna be really fun. I can feel it.
Now she can hear me talking shit about her.
She's saying words, but I can't hear them yet because my volume's down. Hold on.
Why didn't you charge it
Why
while you're
didn't you
napping?
charge it while you were napping? I don't know. I didn't think about it. Thank you for
She did
whoever
think
sent the
about
super
it.
hearts. Med.
She did. She thought about it.
Okay. I think I can hear her now. I did what? What did I do?
I'm just talking shit about you.
Don't talk shit about me.
This is fun.
Don't talk shit about me. It's so delayed. I'm listening to the delay.
delayed.
It's awesome.
All right. Are we still highlighting? What are we doing?
Delayed. I'm listening to the delay. It's awesome.
Here, I'm just going to take my fingers and just smear this shit all over my face because she is, like, really highlighted.
Yeah, I'm pretty highlighted. Oh no! Yeah, I'm pretty highlighted.
Did you do Cupid's bow?
I gave it a shot. Oh
It is on both sides. What's on both sides? Delay?
no! I gave it a shot.
You gave it a shot. Okay, I'm just not going to listen to her because I don't know what she's saying. Sound fair. What you got? What you got? Highlighter. I don't want to use
That's some
that.
green highlight for you, Med. That's some green highlight for you, Med.
Green highlighter. She's got the fancy shit. I got like stuff from Walmart.
No, I'm just using eyeshadow as highlighter. No, I'm just using eyeshadow as highlighter.
Eyeshadow, wow. I didn't think about doing that. Leo, that batch. Nay, don't talk bad about her. She can hear us now.
Yeah, Nene, don't talk shit. talk shit.
What? How many highlighters are we putting on here?
I don't know.
I'm improvising.
You can improvise. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know.
We're gonna be moon goddess.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Moon goddess.
Are you ready for eyeliner yet? I mean, by eyeliner, I mean eyeshadow, because I don't know what the fuck words are.
I've never had this much.
Eyeliner yet? I mean, by eyeliner, I mean eyeshadow, because I don't know what the fuck words are.
So are we doing eyeliner or eyeshadow? Uh-oh, it froze up. We're just gonna have to guess at it.
Sorry, I got a phone call, guys. Again.
God, tell them to leave you alone. Did you do eyebrows? Has she done eyebrows? Did you get you a nap? Nay.
No.
You didn't do eyebrows. Do I need to do that real fast? Eyebrows. Here, I'm just gonna put some wax crayon through it.
No eyebrows.
Okay, I got to do my eyebrows. If I don't, they look like grubby blonde caterpillars.
Whatever. Nene said she was going to be an hour later anyway.
Oh, okay. Well, she's just talking shit then, huh? Alrighty. So, I gotta come out of here and then go back in because it froze up.
Yeah, she doesn't have any right to bitch.
This one? Is she talking crap? What is she doing now?
Fight you both.
What color eyeshadow? What,
Hey, the lag's
what did
better,
we
I
do?
think.
Blue? Blue? I don't know. We'll go blue. I think that's what she's doing. I'm gonna look like Mimi from the Drew Carey show. Thank you.
You're the one who picked blue and silver.
I said that's what I had. I didn't pick it.
Why is that all you have?
Because I'm a basic bitch.
Get your butt over to Sally's and buy some 99-cent eyeshadow.
I am a basic biatch. Yes. Come through, Blue Shine.
I'll forgive you.
Okay, good. I have like a total of $3.75 to my name, so I don't think I'll be buying any eyeshadow soon. It's horrible.
Hi,
Look at
Chicky.
this shit.
Welcome to Coley's School.
Isn't that nice?
I love it. It looks gorgeous.
Thank you.
I'm getting fucking wild.
I see this. She's getting fucking wild, y'all. We're gonna get an NSFA. Not safe for
Fucking
anyone.
wild. NSFW?
Not safe for anyone. Okay. Did you highlight?
Not safe for life, NSFO?
True. Very well.
Did I do what?
Alright. Thank you, Ricky. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I'm trying to do makeup and I'm trying to follow her. So if anybody's just tuning in, I am following
Aspen? Avery and Aspen?
a live tutorial. Wave.
No!
And there we go. Did I lose weight? No, I don't think so. Well, I don't know. I might have. I am on a diet. I just haven't been weighing myself. I did have green eyeshadow. I did have green eyeshadow. It's in my daughter's dollar palette.
You bitch!
I'm sorry. You want me to put it on top of the green? We'll just go all Christmassy.
You bitch.
I didn't know. It's like hunter green, so it's not. It's probably not the same green
Yeah.
I have. Yes? Oh no, she's gonna make me put this green on top of the blue.
Yeah, do it.
Shit. I'll do it. I mean, it can't get any worse than what it is now, right?
That's right, you'll do it. I mean, you'll go from Mimi to, like,
Ooh.
some unknown character.
I got to blend this out. Wowzers.
I need like water or something.
To hydrate? You need to hydrate? Are you dehydrated?
No, my eyebrow stuff is dried out.
Just lick it.
And I want it to not be dried out. I totally.
Why
liked
hasn't
it.
anybody ever done this before? This is great.
I don't know. I love it.
I think we have a new thing. We should start doing this more often. Her laugh
Okay,
is the
where's
worst.
my-
Yours is too. Thanks, Nene.
I'm cool with that.
Mine's annoying, I know.
Shut up about my laugh, Nene.
Oh, Nene, we love you. Now look, you see all this eyeshadow that I'm going to get in my makeup now.
We should take them afterwards. I'm sorry about my dog barking.
What dog?
I'm sorry.
You have a dog? My eyebrows are like bushy
We should,
caterpillars. I look like
Take the videos after and save them.
a corner hooker. Look at this. I mean, it doesn't look too bad from there. But then,
And
You
then
get up close.
edit them together and put them on YouTube.
yes. You do that because I don't know how and I don't have a computer, so. Looks great. Thanks, Nene. I'm not sure I could believe you. Just putting it out there.
Well, I don't know what you're saying, Matt. Are you saying it in her chat or in my chat? Because
Med's
I'm
not
hardly
over here. He
keeping
gave
an eye
up on
my
me.
chat, let alone Coley's chat.
Med gave up on me.
Oh, Coley said you gave up on her.
It's okay. I'll remember that. Next time he's
said you're
freezing
not
his
there.
hands off.
I didn't. He said I didn't. I'm here.
Oh, his bubble's gone. Oh, okay.
He's there, Coley.
Sorry. Are we putting eyeshadow underneath? Or no? We haven't gotten that far. It looks like I have a black eye.
Underneath our eyeballs?
Yeah. Who is that?
Yeah, fuck it. Let's do a light color underneath.
Oh, now you're gonna go modest color. Okay. Okay.
Do something to improve quality of picture. Med, if you could edit us two together, that would be so cool.
Jesus. This is hard.
Nene, you better shut your mouth. I looked over at the right time.
What's she saying? I missed it. I'm too busy. I can't read. What color did you put underneath?
She's talking shit about me.
How are you doing that with that gigantic brush?
You'll see in just a second. I don't know.
I don't have those brushes, so. What color did she put in? Is that green?
All right, take a look. I put some crazy ass green under there.
Oh my Jesus. Sweet baby Jesus.
Do I need rouge?
Seriously, what
I need
is that?
rouge.
Not
Matte
crazy enough
blush.
yet. Okay. So
Shut
I need
the
to do
fuck
like
up, Nene.
a big ass wing. I've got my liquid eyeliner ready. Excuse my face. Did it freeze up again?
Are you going to a clown competition? Oh. Are you going to a clown competition? Oh.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's a little dark, huh? Yeah, that's a little dark, huh?
God. Now I definitely look like I have black eyes. Thanks, Leo.
Don't forget the really dark blush. Don't forget the really dark blush. Like you got it in.
Are you fucking kidding me? I can't see that. Oh my God.
Like you got it in.
Still working on the green under eye. I think the after picture is gonna be priceless. Okay, let's delve in. You're not gonna set your face with any powder or anything? Okay. Are you ready? This is gonna... Look at her
no.
blush. Here we go! Fuck, look at this shit. Oh, you guys can't appreciate the color payoff with this. Oh my God. My God. Can you see this?
I put on a little dark contour underneath the blush again.
It's
Because
awful.
the blush was a little dark.
I'm trying to
so
cover
I
up my
fixed it with
rosacea,
more
not
dark.
give myself more.
Because the blush was a
Hey,
little
Danny.
dark, so I fixed it with more dark.
Sexy. You fixed it with more dark. Oh my God.
Isn't it nice to both have rosacea? Isn't it nice to both have rosacea?
Mmm.
And now
Yeah.
I'm just highlighting
Screw
underneath
trying
my
to cover it
brow.
up. Let's just highlight it.
And now I'm just highlighting underneath Med, my
we
brow.
need you. With what? Blush?
Med, we need you.
Med, don't go. Is Med going? Don't go, Med.
Are you mocking me?
I'm not mocking you. I would never do such a thing. I don't want to use my good makeup here. I'll just do it with this. I just washed all these brushes. Now I'm going to have to wash them again.
I lost Coley. I think my iPad turned off.
Aww.
So I can no longer hear Coley again.
Great.
it decided that it wasn't charged enough.
Bye, Med.
And it turned off. So I am now Coley-less. I'm now Coley-less.
She is not.
Welcome in, Avery. Did she say that we were just going to highlight over the top? I'm pretty sure that's what I heard her say. She was like, let's just highlight over the top. Am I? Am I pretty pixelated? I don't know why I'm pixelated.
Am I pixelated? Oh, Jesus. Why did I think this was a good idea? I thought maybe we'd do an actual good-looking makeup. And here she is, making me look like the corner whore.
That's bad. That's
but you know, whatever. It's cool. We're almost done with makeup, so you guys chill out with the...
I don't think highlighting over the top is going to work for mine.
Oh, just wait.
Tell Coley
should have done. I should have
known.
Take a
selfie of herself.
I should have.
If she can't hear me. Take a selfie of herself, and then I'll take a selfie of myself.
Mine looks way worse than hers. Take a selfie. I hear her. I hear her. Okay.
Highlighting, however, I don't think is going to work. It's just making me look darker. Can't you, Dan?
Trying to fix this.
I think I put too much highlight.
Way too much blush. Agreed.
Oh, it's great.
Can you see it? It looks awful.
It's so good.
Why did I think that she would
wipe some off on
pull
my
me
shirt.
through? Oh my God. Leo.
It's not rubbing off. I'm just silver now.
Come through, moon highlight.
I do believe in you. There's just nothing I can really do about it except to restart my
Oh
scope.
my God.
Would you like me to restart?
We're just doing it for fun. I'm not going anywhere. I will go and wash my face after this. Directly. Mine's not that bright.
Restart?
I'm trying to fix it.
Why not?
Oh yeah.
I
Definitely
just don't
washing
feel
my
like
face after this. I just got out of the
Oh,
shower.
whatever.
But you know, whatever.
Let's get a vote. Who wants me to restart? Before I do mascara, eyeliner, and lipstick. All right. 2 is enough.
I'm gonna try to fix this while she's going and doing that here. Well, whatever.
2 is enough.
Okay. So, she's restarting. Thank goodness. Because I couldn't see anything that she was doing. Am I blurry? No. Yes. I look like a fucking clown. Yes. Yes, I do. She is back now. Cool. My thing is sideways here. No, you're fine. Okay. Maybe if I do that. Is that better? No? Can you see that lovely blush? Oh my God. Okay, what is she doing now? Come on, iPad. Look at my hands. Can you
Why
see?
do you always have to be so mean to me? You're in pain?
It is a lot. It is a lot. What is she doing now? Oh, I didn't moisturize my lips. What color is that? I think I have a color similar to that.
Hot outside. It is not. Nope. My gums hurt. My mom's a dentist.
lips are so weird.
This pink is good. I don't know why I didn't use this before. Yeah. You were at the dentist today?
What, I actually had that color?
Thanks, Sassy. You're the best. You number
weird.
one.
Yes.
Ooh,
This
thanks,
is
Sassy.
the Wet n Wild liquid cat suit in Rebel
Is
Rose.
Coley keeping up?
It's
Do I
one of my
need to
favorite
slow
colors.
down?
I have lipsticks, but I never wear them.
I need to slow down.
Ever.
I need to slow down.
What is she doing now?
Hey, Firefox.
Is she tightlining? Before she does her mask? Or... Okay. Thank you for the hearts. Danny, you're awesome.
Hey,
Everybody
First Lass.
else.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Tightlining is when you do the waterline of your eye.
Coley, are you seeing this eyeliner? It's actually working really well.
What eyeliner is that, I
I
wonder?
don't know what this is or
Why
where
am I
I got
talking
it,
to
but I
her?
love it.
She can't hear me.
It's good. Hanging out.
What's the waterline? Are you
Doing
kidding
makeup
me?
with
It's
Coley.
where your eyelashes are and the part that's above the eyeliner. I forgot. You don't wear makeup a lot, do you?
Oops.
I don't wear makeup a whole lot, but I do go into the rabbit hole of YouTube and watch massive amounts of tutorials.
You can do it with me anytime you want, Avery.
Is she going on the top? Oh, I can't go with it. Oh my god. I'm sorry.
She asked what eyeliner or what eyeliner am I using? It's called Wonder Wand Ciate London Gel Kohl Liner.
Cool.
Get out the way. Oh,
Oh, this looks horrible. I usually use liquid eyeliner on the top and a stick on the bottom. It's not me, it's Leo. I'm following her. Thanks, Danny. That's nice. I need to watch Gina a lot more.
McDonald's or Burger King?
What did you say? I can't read it.
Neither. But if I had to absolutely choose,
Oh my god. Thanks,
I would pick
Danny.
McDonald's.
You're so encouraging.
Long time no see. Avery.
I am not a makeup artist, nor have I claimed to be, and we're just
I'm
doing
gonna
this
put on
for
some
fun.
fucking Mega Volume Wet n Wild mascara.
But usually I can do
How's
my makeup
Coley's
a lot
coming?
better
Somebody tell me how she looks.
than this.
I'll never know.
I should definitely go wash my face and then start over. Make it look better. Where do I live? In Tennessee. I live about 90 miles from Memphis. I'm on the other side. I'm in the butthole part
books.
of Tennessee. Okay, that looks really bad. I never do my top with a crayon. I always do it with my
Oh,
liquid.
Books.
But you know, whatever. And what was she using? Okay, I'm gonna just use mine.
Thanks. Doesn't feel like the first day of spring. Marhaba.
Yeah, she laughed like a whole lot. It was so cute. If the Tin Man had a girlfriend, that's what I look like right now. I'm so
Sorry, Firefox.
highlighted.
Not nice first last. Not nice. How's that? How's Coley's coming? Somebody tell me. Do I still look like a mermaid, Avery?
It's a Brandy DSI something or like that. I don't know.
Taking screenshots of my face for Coley. I wish I could see Coley again. She's plugged in, but 2%. I can go look at her real quick. I've got 2% to go look at Coley. That's not Coley. That's Coley.
Okay, Tina.
I'm watching.
Okay, Tina. Sorry I bored you. Trying to get this on without gouging my eyeballs out.
Sorry I bored you. Trying to get this
She watching again? Thanks. Thanks. Is this all we're doing? I mean, we could do another layer.
Another layer.
Okay, Tina. Do it to it.
Another layer.
My
Coley's
hair
so
is still
perfect.
wet.
I think we look great. Coley's so perfect.
You haven't seen me close up. Look at that. Yes. Oh, look at that highlight, though. Yes.
It looks beautiful.
You guys can see my trash pile over here. Yes. Oh, yes. Look
It
at
looks
look
beautiful.
at. I need to go outside and get some appreciation here.
Hey, Heartful.
We're going outside for a second. I'm kind of impressed that I had the lip color. Oh my god. Y'all. This is horrible.
Oh, it looks great.
Are you looking?
I'm looking. Screenshot that shit.
Okay. Supermodel pose. Are you ready?
I got it.
Oh my god, it's horrible. Oh god. Yes. 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 You look beautiful. Oh, thank you. Was it a good supermodel pose?
I love it.
Oh my god. It's actually not bad. Whatever. I think my camera is making it look better.
Well,
Okay, I just took.
I love
Oh
those.
my god. Oh god. Y'all, thank you. I needed a good laugh. This is a good laugh. Thanks. Look at that. Look how shiny.
I love those.
Oh my goodness. Do you see that eyeshadow? Look at that. Oh yeah. Do we look the same? Yes. Is she taking pictures? Twins. Twinkies. Twinkers. Oh my god, y'all.
I'm watching you. Nene.
We should do pictures here. I sound like a goober. Oh my god. We should do this more often. This is so much fun.
We can do this at least once a week. Maybe twice.
I heard that. My favorite shirt.
We can do this at least once a week.
Once a week.
Maybe twice.
Do I get to pick the colors next time?
Yes. Yes.
This is great. I'm too busy watching her. So, next time, I lead. Next time, she charges her fucking iPad.
Yeah,
I mean,
I'll
excuse
charge
my
it, I
French, her
swear.
freaking iPad.
I'll keep it charging right now.
Lord. Lord, have mercy. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yes. Never looking more fabulous.
I think you look great.
Thank you, Danny. My partner in crime, if anybody else is wondering. Look at that eyeshadow.
Hey, how's it going?
This is great. I think I might start doing my makeup like this. I feel like the 80s just
They're
didn't
coming back.
do it right. It would be okay. Yeah, it probably would. But that blush is something. I'm not listening to you now, Leo. Okay. We can wrap this up now.
Well, you guys,
I look like a glowing goddess.
thanks for
Ooh.
watching me and Colby
Ooh.
hang out and do
Ooh,
makeup.
look at it.
And I'll be back a little later after
It looks
wash
like
my
I have
face
like
off.
road rash on my face.
But I'll be back.
Yeah. I think we're gonna wrap
Hang
this
out
up.
and do makeup. And I'll be back a little later after I wash my face off.
Me too.
But I love you guys. I'll be back. And thanks for hanging out.
I'll be back too. Thanks for watching for so long. And I appreciate everybody that
Thank
came
you for
in
the
and
hearts,
sit around.
Heartful.
Thank you so much.